Are you looking for one of the best phone coolers to reduce overheating, prevent performance drops, and keep your smartphone running smoothly during gaming, live streaming, video recording, or fast charging? A reliable phone cooler should provide rapid heat reduction, secure attachment, quiet operation, adjustable cooling levels, broad phone compatibility, and convenient power options. In this video, we've selected the 5 best phone coolers of 2026 based on cooling performance, fan speed, semiconductor technology, noise level, mounting stability, device compatibility, portability, build quality, lighting features, and overall value. Whether you need a compact cooler for casual mobile gaming, a powerful model for long competitive sessions, or a versatile option for streaming and content creation, there's a suitable choice on this list. We have included the Amazon links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which phone cooler fits your smartphone, gaming setup, and budget. Stay tuned until the end to discover which phone cooler earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started.
Number 5. Ulanzi SK-06 Phone Cooler Stand. Starting our list at number 5 is the Ulanzi SK-06, a desktop phone stand with an integrated cooling fan designed for mobile gaming, live streaming, video recording, and extended smartphone use. Its 5-layer cooling system and dual microchannel heat dissipation design are claimed to reduce phone temperature by up to 15 degrees Celsius in approximately 3 seconds. The exposed cooling channel, metal structure, and axial fan blades are designed to move heat away quickly during demanding gaming or streaming sessions. The brushless motor operates at a claimed noise level below 27 decibels, helping reduce unwanted fan noise during live streams or voice recordings. Intelligent variable frequency temperature control also helps regulate cooling and reduce the risk of condensation. The adjustable clamp supports phones approximately 65 to 89 millimeters wide. Users can rotate the phone through 360 degrees, adjust it front to back by 180 degrees, and extend the stand from 185 to 305 millimeters. A weighted square base and anti-slip silicone pad improve desktop stability. Pros: integrated phone cooler and desktop stand, quiet brushless cooling fan, 360-degree rotation and adjustable height, intelligent temperature regulation, stable weighted base with anti-slip padding. Cons: designed mainly for tabletop use, requires USB-C power during operation. Cooling performance figures are manufacturer claims. Overall, the Ulanzi SK-06 combines flexible positioning, quiet cooling, and strong desktop stability, making it our number 5 pick for the best phone coolers of 2026.
Number 4. darkFlash GPRO-R1 Smartphone Cooler. Coming in at number 4 is the darkFlash GPRO-R1, a rechargeable smartphone cooler designed for mobile gaming, live streaming, video recording, charging, and extended everyday use. Its semiconductor cooling system is claimed to reduce phone temperature by up to 22 degrees Celsius in a 26-degree environment, helping limit heat-related performance drops during demanding gaming sessions. Unlike coolers that must remain connected to a cable, this model includes a 2000 milliamp rechargeable battery, providing greater freedom during handheld use. A digital display shows the real-time cooling temperature and remaining battery status, making it easy to monitor the cooler while playing. The universal snap-on clip attaches without magnets and is designed to work with a broad range of smartphones and compatible cases. Built-in RGB lighting adds a gaming-style appearance, while the integrated adjustable stand supports both horizontal and vertical positioning. This makes it useful for hands-free gaming, streaming, video calls, and watching content on a desk. Pros: rechargeable 2000 milliamp battery, real-time temperature and battery display, universal non-magnetic clip design, horizontal and vertical stand support, built-in RGB gaming lighting. Cons: the 3-month warranty is very limited. Cooling results are based on manufacturer claims. Only 20 customer reviews are listed. Overall, the darkFlash GPRO-R1 combines portable battery power, useful monitoring, and flexible mounting, making it our number 4 pick for the best phone coolers of 2026.
Number 3. Kubal Magnetic Phone Cooling Fan. Taking the number 3 spot is the Kubal Magnetic Phone Cooling Fan, a compact radiator designed for mobile gaming, live streaming, video recording, and other demanding smartphone activities. It combines a semiconductor cooling plate with a fan spinning at up to 5,000 RPM to move heat away from the device. The manufacturer claims it can cool a phone to around 0 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes, although actual performance will depend on room temperature, phone construction, workload, and placement. Its magnetic attachment provides quick installation on compatible devices, while the included clip can help connect it to phones without built-in magnetic support. The broad cooling surface is designed to spread cooling across more of the phone's back. The slim body and rounded edges help keep the cooler comfortable during handheld gaming. Built-in RGB lighting adds a gaming-style appearance, while the claimed 20 decibel noise level should help minimize distraction. Power is supplied through USB-C. Pros: semiconductor cooling with a 5,000 RPM fan. Magnetic attachment with an included clip. Slim design for handheld gaming. Claimed quiet 20 decibel operation. RGB lighting for gaming setups. Cons: requires a continuous wired power connection. The cooling to 0 degrees Celsius performance is only a manufacturer claim. Listed 5-watt power conflicts with the stated 5-volt 3A input. Overall, the Kubal Magnetic Phone Cooling Fan offers convenient mounting, quiet operation, and strong claimed cooling performance, making it our number 3 pick for the best phone coolers of 2026. Number 2. Black Shark FunCooler 6 Magnetic Phone Cooler. Taking the number 2 spot is the Black Shark FunCooler 6 Magnetic Phone Cooler, a compact magnetic phone cooler designed for mobile gaming, streaming, video recording, and other demanding smartphone activities. Its wired 20-watt ice-cold 2.0 cooling system is designed to reduce device temperature quickly during long gaming sessions. A strong 12N magnetic attachment helps keep the cooler securely positioned on compatible iPhones, iPads, and other magnetic devices. The cooler requires an external power source, and Black Shark recommends using a power supply above 20 watts for the best performance. Users can switch between overclock, standard, and silent modes directly from the built-in button. More detailed controls are available through the Shark Arsenal app, including fan speed adjustment, power modes, RGB lighting customization, and an automatic shutdown timer. The FunCooler 6 weighs only 75 grams and uses a vertical air duct design intended to keep hot exhaust away from the user's hands. Silent mode operates at a claimed noise level of around 25 decibels. Pros: powerful 20-watt cooling system. Strong 12N magnetic attachment. 3 selectable performance modes. App-controlled fan speed, timer, and RGB lighting. Compact and lightweight construction. Cons: requires a continuous external power source. The power cable is not included. The claimed 100 degrees Fahrenheit temperature reduction appears unusually high and is manufacturer stated. Overall, the Black Shark FunCooler 6 combines powerful cooling, flexible controls, and a lightweight magnetic design, making it our number 2 pick for the best phone coolers of 2026. Number 1. Black Shark Magnetic Phone Cooler 6 Pro. Taking the number 1 spot is the Black Shark Magnetic Phone Cooler 6 Pro, a powerful app-controlled cooler designed for demanding mobile gaming, live streaming, photography, video recording, and extended device use. Its upgraded ice-cold 2.0 cooling system delivers up to 35 watts of cooling power. Black Shark claims the cooler can reduce temperature by as much as 50 degrees Celsius and reach temperatures as low as -25 degrees Celsius under suitable testing conditions. A wall charger rated at 40 watts or higher is recommended for maximum performance. The built-in 0.71-inch full-color smart display shows real-time device temperature, cooling level, fan speed, and power output. Users can also upload custom wallpapers for a more personalized appearance. Through the companion app, users can adjust cooling performance and control the 16 individually addressable RGB LEDs. The included magnetic ring plate allows the cooler to work with both magnetic and non-magnetic devices, including iPhones, Android phones, tablets, laptops, and Nintendo Switch systems. Pros: powerful 35-watt cooling system. full-color real-time information display, app-controlled cooling and RGB lighting, includes a magnetic ring for wider compatibility, USB-C cable included. Cons: requires a separate 40-watt or higher charger, weighs 110 grams, making it heavier than compact coolers. Extreme cooling figures are manufacturer claims and may vary. Overall, the Black Shark Magnetic Phone Cooler 6 Pro offers the strongest combination of cooling power, smart monitoring, customizable controls, and broad compatibility, making it our #1 pick for the best phone coolers of 2026.